You're looking at the Glenarm fountain. Back in 1906, the mayor of Pasadena, quite upset with the Edison company, Edison Light Company back in the day. They still are called Edison today, but with a slightly different name. But the mayor said that Edison is charging them way too much money. Way too much money for their utility rate just to power up Pasadena. And so in 1906, they decided to have a bond, look like the water's going down, for a $125,000 bond. The people passed it. And in 1907, the Pasadena Light Company started. Of course, over the years, they have expanded it with different types of generators and boilers and stuff like that. I'm not too much into that. But 1938, this says 1938 only. I really didn't want to walk on it, but it says Glenarm Fountain, Pasadena, water and power serving the community since 1906. City of Pasadena, incorporated June 1886. Glenarm Fountain complies with water waste prohibition regulation. The fountain uses recirculating pumps in order to be water wise. You can learn more about Pasadena water conservation efforts at pwpweb.com. Save water. And this is a plaque, 1906 to 2006. Pasadena Water and Power celebrate 100 years of community-owned power. This time capsule is dedicated to all PWP employees who have contributed essential service to Pasadena from 1906 to 2006. Be open in 2106 during PWP bicentennial celebration, May 2006. So as you can see, it's a really big deal here for Pasadena. And this plaque here says this is a water cooling fountain erected in 1938. Okay, that's why we see the fountain. City of Pasadena, Board of City Directors. The fountain serves as the cooling unit in the generator air cooling system of the power plant. The quantity of water circulated averages 500 gallons per minute. There you go. Well, the water had went back up. This is Robert Champs. The whole water plant, the whole electric, Pasadena Electric, is Art Deco. Has everything else built from the late 1800s up until 1938. The Pasadena Light and Power Company is on Fair Oaks and Glenarm. Just before you get to the city of South Pasadena going south. It's only a couple of miles from Old Pasadena. I passed by this place hundreds and hundreds of times and never really paid any attention to it, and just ran across it while reading. This is Robert Champs. I hope you enjoyed this little historical video. I always thought this place was making food products all those years. And it's always been a power plant for the city of Pasadena. Talk to you later, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. We're getting there. Pasadena Light and Power.